What's up, guys? Today we are at Kirby Studios for their Cars and Camera meet. It is their first one ever. I am joined by my buddy Rodney with RSK Imagery.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
So today we're just gonna walk around, see what kind of cool cars are here. Of course, we're gonna be looking for some 911s. But other than that, there's a lot of exotics, a lot of cool one-off cars here. So let's go check it out.
Pleasure being here. Have a good day.
Alright guys, so we're about to walk inside the studio. We heard it's dark inside, so let's see what it's about. I got my F40 here. I'm squashed between two F40s, so let me show you guys. There's one to my right here, just beautiful. And then of course to my left, there is another one. Today's a good day. Let me show you guys something crazy about this F40. When the hood is propped open, it is literally touching the ground. Hey, you got a shot? Uh-oh, here he goes. A Super Sweet magazine shot right there. Yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the Kirby Studios tour. Beautiful, large, amazing space for shooting cars. What was your favorite car here today, Rod?
I don't know, man. Ferraris were nice.
Which Ferrari?
All of them.
The F40, the dual F40s, to me was just, that's my wet dream right there. I mean, my dream.
I think his pants are still wet.
My pants are definitely still wet. But I'm still waiting to see my very first white F40, but didn't happen today. So thank you guys, Grant, Alvin, for inviting me out. But that's it. This was pretty quick. Nice little gathering. But we are out. See you guys on the next one. Peace.